wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best lathe chucks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the internal jaws on the Wen LA4444 are capable of clamping down on tenons between 1.6 and 2.8 inches, while its external jaws can expand against recesses between 2 and 2.8 inches. It comes with a screw chuck for additional support. This is a very affordable option backed by a 2-year warranty, but the wrench for the screw chuck is not included. At number 6, the Woodstock D4054 is a 3-inch offering with 4 reversible step jaws that are ready for both internal and external gripping. Setting material is a cinch thanks to its knurled adjustment plate, and the 2 4-inch wrenches included for final tightening. This one's backed by a 1-year warranty and suitable for round and square pieces. However, its narrow jaws are poorly suited for wood. Coming in at number 5 on our list, designed for use with 1-inch spindles of 8 threads per inch, the Nova 71047G3 comes with a 50mm set of dovetail jaws, specially profiled to grip down tight on wood without leaving a blemish. Its geared T-handle key allows for easy single-handed adjustments. This is a K1045 steel construction with a 6-year warranty, but it can't be adapted for other spindles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lathe chucks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, considering that it comes with 4 sets of jaws, the PSI Woodworking Barracuda CSC 3000C is quite a reasonably priced choice and an excellent first purchase for new users looking to try their hand at wood spinning. This offering comes pre-threaded for 1-inch spindles. It includes a 3/4-inch adapter, a plastic carrying case, and a 2-year limited warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, measuring 5 inches in diameter, the Hurricane Turning Tools HTC125 comes with a 6-inch key, 1 standard set of dovetail jaws, and a threaded insert that you can choose based on the size of your machine. A 4-inch option is also available from the company. This is a steel construction with a chrome-plated body and a closed back. At number 2, intended for users with small machines, the Oneway Manufacturing TPI Talon measures 3.5 inches in diameter. The included number 2 jaws are hardened to enhance durability and can clamp down on spigots as well as small as 1 5/8 of an inch. It features a nickel-plated body, a patented hard-gripping jaw profile, and a removable threaded adapter. And coming in at number 1 on our list, while the Easy Wood Tool C1000 is a pricey option, its impressive design enables you to clamp down on projects using only your fingertips and switch out sets of jaws within seconds. 5 different sized variations of this model are available. It comes with 3/8 dovetail jaws, along with an instructional manual and DVD. It's an American-made and designed product. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lathe chucks, or simply click beneath this video.